We won. We won the World Championship. I want to thank everyone, all of my fans. I want to thank all of my family and friends. I want to make sure everybody understands that, yes, bringing home the trophy, baby. Quickscrews are just like their name says. They're quick. They have no holes, no pre-drilled holes. They go to full depth, and they also don't leave any residue around the hole so that you don't have any extra little fuzzies humming off the screw.
We've been in business for 94 years, and our biggest challenge is finding screws that are sharp enough to stick when you want to try to drive them in and not wander all over the place.
With a head that will hold.
With the head that'll hold. And we went through maybe 24 brands of screws over the last 20 years until we found Quickscrews, and we won't use anything but. So everyone here at the trade show is trying to sell us screws, and I keep saying, well, can you beat Quickscrews? And
they all look at us with a little bit of sadness in their face. Yeah, but I mean,
they'll hand us a sample and you just touch it and you go, yeah, no, can't use that.
Only dudes, the number 6 or by 5/8 with that tip on there. So yeah, I got like a couple 100,000 a year screws sitting there, which isn't a lot, I know, but we love the hell out of your guys' screw.
We do.
Remember, you can find us here at the show, or more importantly, at www.quickscrews.com. That's www.quickscrews.com. Thank you very much for coming. Visit us on the web. We'd love to see you, and we really appreciate what you've done for us for the past 30 years.